Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today we are whipping up something vibrant and flavorful, the Hariyali Grill Chicken. Please do like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. So let's roll up our sleeves and dive into these aromatic ingredients. 500 grams chicken, 50 grams coriander leaves, 50 grams mint leaves, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 2 tablespoons curd, 2 tablespoons roasted gram powder, 3 sprigs of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon cumin, 6 to 7 green chilies, adjust to your liking, lemon, 1 inch ginger, 5 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon peppercorns. First things first, let's coat the chicken. Marinate it with half a teaspoon of salt and juice of half a lemon. This sets the stage for our flavorful journey. Now let's prepare our vibrant chutney. In a pan, heat up a tablespoon of oil. Add cumin seeds, peppercorns, ginger, garlic and green chilies. Saute this aromatic mix until it sizzles. Introduce the green goodness, coriander leaves, mint leaves and curry leaves. Sprinkle in some salt and saute on high flame for 3 to 4 minutes. Let it cool and then add roasted gram powder and curd. Blend it all into a delightful paste. Time to coat our chicken with this vibrant paste. Make sure it's generously covered. Let it marinate and absorb all those delicious flavors. Heat up the grill and carefully place our marinated chicken. Brush on a mix of butter and oil. Ensuring it's grilled and cooked on all sides. There you have it, the Hariyali Grill Chicken. Green, aromatic and absolutely delicious. Don't forget to serve it with that reserved chutney for an extra punch of flavor. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes. Happy grilling!